Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Pull gently on each of the 4 corners of the engine cover before unclipping it. Once removed, be careful to disconnect the breather hose before removing it completely. To do this, pull on the white connector located on the oil fill stopper, making little movements back and forth. To have complete access to the spark plugs, remove the oil fill stopper as well as its supported frame. To do this, pivot the whole thing anti-clockwise. Then, pull upwards. To avoid the possibility of the little nut falling into the engine, cover the opening with a paper towel. With a very thin flathead screwdriver, unclip the holding hooks on the power wire bundle for the coils. With a big screwdriver, delicately lever the coils to release them. Then, extract them by pulling upwards by hand. Set them aside so they don't get in the way when removing the spark plugs. Using a socket wrench or a T-handle wrench, a big extender and a 60mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and finish unscrewing by hand to save time. Tip: if the spark plug wrench doesn't have a click system, to hold the spark plug and pull it out, you can use the coil. Insert it onto the plug and using the coil for the final turns, release the plug. You should then be able to take it out easily. Insert the new spark plug into the spark plug socket, which will provide you support until screwing. Start tightening by hand, then fix it in place with a socket wrench. Finish the process with no more than 1/16 of a turn. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Once finished, put the wire bundle back in its place, holding it in place by lowering the hooks. Remove the paper towel and put the oil fill stopper and the frame back. To do this, insert the whole thing, turning it clockwise until it's locked correctly. Operation completed.